I genuinely, hand on heart, was not expecting these results.
I can't describe it.
I am so impressed with the results.
Today I will be reviewing the Give Me Cosmetics hair mask.
Give Me do a beautiful hair mask.
I've also seen Michelle Keegan uses their products and things, and her hair is shinier than the sun.
I'm also going to use today their shampoo, and they also do a normal conditioner as well.
I am so happy about this.
Coconut and Argan Oil shampoo as well as the conditioner.
Oh my god, they smell absolutely amazing.
Oh, they smell lush.
Can you see how shiny it is?
This stuff has generally made a drastic difference to my hair.
I seriously can't get over it. Look how shiny that is.
Hair of dreams.
My hair feels fabulous.
I am in love with that shampoo and conditioner.
I cannot recommend this enough.
Genuinely thumbs up to this. I will be repurchasing the shampoo and conditioner as well as the mask.
So I am happy.
My hair feels absolutely amazing.